What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another 4th gen single cab Dodge Ram in here at Rob's Customs for a new sunroof install. We're gonna be doing a black suede, another regular here at Rob's Customs, the single cabs. Waiting for the customer to drop it off, and then we'll get to checking out the truck. All right, guys, we got the sunroof installed. We got the sun visors in painting them black. We got the headliner. It's almost done. I got to turn it around, wrap it, and then glue it from the bottom to the top. Check it out. Looks badass. There she is. Almost done, guys. Just gotta wrap the headliner. These are giving one more coat. And then the clips and all that are painted there, ready to go. It's all powered up. We're almost done. I'll kick you guys back on once it's all fully installed, and we'll check it out. Alright, guys, install's done. Came out badass clean like always on these 4th gen Rams. Let's check it out. What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a Silverado in for a new sunroof install, new kit. Also, customer has gotten a previous Starlight kit at another shop, but he's gonna want to go ahead and just rip it all out due to it fabric is peeling all off. It's peeling off everywhere, right here, and then the main part is this whole back thing. So what happens with when they're doing that material picking up, he didn't put enough glue, so the starlights are popping out of the seam here, and he's losing them all. So we're gonna go ahead and rip it all out. Customer doesn't want no starlights. I'm gonna rip this whole thing out, redo it with suede. We'll cut it out for the sunroof, make it more clean, pop it into the truck. From Bowls, and prep this for the sunroof. Go from there. Alright, guys, we're almost done with the install. We are working on the headliner, installing it. Looking good. We are already wrapping this part here. You can see I gotta cut this back part out, wrap it around the trim so everything's gonna look nice and clean. But she's almost there. Got everything painted. It's looking good. We're working on a few other parts here for another truck, and we got this bad boy in. Luis. I did the tie window and the sunroof a while back, and at that point I wasn't spraying and painting all these consoles, so we're gonna take these off, spray them black, the mirror, the light in this, and the handle. That way when you look in here, everything's gonna be blacked out. Alright, just trying to get this one removed. Alright, guys, everything's done. Came out clean. Check it out. We put the button right there in the center. Clean. Check it out. Real clean. Buttons there in the center, looking good.